We got the sound machine for my daughter, and I love that it has a user-friendly app on there. You can pick between 12 different sleep sounds and then 4 different natural sounds. I love that I'm able to just completely control it from the top or the app. I can choose whichever one. So if I'm not in her room at the time, I can control it. And I can turn on a timer. So if I only want it to go for when she's falling asleep, I can, which is really nice. If you want to turn down the light, all you're going to do is just press the top and hold it. If you want it to completely turn off, I really do like that it has the time on it. It has been fantastic for us, and I would really recommend it.